Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sector 43, which is connected to the main golf course road. This plot size is 160 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of the house. Let's get started. This area from where I have just entered, this is the formal living space of the house, come dining space. Towards my right, you will see a first bedroom that will be entering in a little while. This is on the surface, you will see all tiling work done on the surface. ऊपर में सीलिंग डिज़ाइन देखेंगे, ये नॉर्मल कॉर्निश दिया हुआ है और ग्रुपिंग करी हुई है सीलिंग में. Above me you will see a simple fan, left wall and the wall front me and the wall at the back side stays empty for your customization. This is the first bedroom that we'll be starting with. This has a small wooden console. Since it's a small property, the bedroom size is accordingly shaped well. Left hand side you'll see a wall. ये नॉर्मल है, इसमें कोई खास टेक्सचर वगैरह नहीं है, नॉर्मल प्लेन वॉल है. इसमें एक वॉल लैंप लगाया हुआ है. दिस इज़ योर क्लोजेट. दिस इज़ द वॉशरूम. आपका ब्यूटिफुल मिरर विद अ नॉर्मल old shaped vanity. All the fittings of the sanitary are by Hindware. This is a small Thermex geyser and that's your rain head. On the surface and on the wall you've got the tiling work done. This also has an MC. यहाँ पर आप एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम विंडो इंस्टॉल करा सकते हैं. प्रोविजन स्प्लिट AC का नहीं है इसमें, लेकिन विंडो AC आप इधर इंस्टॉल करा सकते हैं. This is for your safety. This is a fixed window. This specific first bedroom has a tiling work done on the surface and you've got the cornice on the ceiling, and above me you see a small fan. This has a huge balcony out here. When you talk about the balcony size is massive. This is आपका stainless steel का railing है. This is your drainage vessel and that's the complete balcony which you will share with no one. This is your independent balcony. This is a park facing property. Out there you see that park. थोड़ा सा surroundings दिखा दीजिए एक बारी. This was the first bedroom of the house. This is the second bedroom of the house. From hallway we have just entered. This is the small wooden console. On the left you will see the wardrobe. Towards this side, this is the washroom, which has a normal wall mounted commode seat, tiling work done on the wall and on the surface. These are all textured tiles. A towel stand, you've got the space to keep your vanity stuff, toothpicks. And this is a small mirror and vanity. Thermex का geyser है, rain head है, sanitary fittings are by Hindware. This is again tiling on the surface. Left wall stays empty for your customization. इधर में आप wall lamp देखेंगे लगा हुआ है. There is no balcony attached with this room. Since this is a small property, एक window दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. इसमें भी आगे में for your safety एक iron के rods लगे हुए हैं. This is a fixed glass. Ceiling is again as simple as neutral. It's a normal ceiling which has a grouping done and the cornice. This is the another third bedroom of the house from where we've just entered. बाहर इन्होंने थोड़ा सा engineered wood का sheet लगाया हुआ है. This is the third bedroom. A small wooden panel as you see in all the rooms. Wardrobe section. Tiles on the surface. Grouping and cornice on the ceiling. Above me you see a ceiling fan. This is the washroom area. You've got the tile work on the surface. Vanity looks beautiful. This is a mirror. And you've got the space to keep your toothkits. Exhaust fan by Thermex. All sanitary fittings by Hindware. This is a wall mounted commode seat and geyser. This is the balcony of the last bedroom, which is the third one. There is a washer's vessel given here with the tap area, the wet area. सारा का सारा इधर में है. ये नॉर्मल टाइलिंग वर्क दिया है. स्ट्रॉन्ग आपका मेटल का रेलिंग लगाया हुआ है. बैक साइड में आपका प्लॉट है. स्टिल यू हैव अ ह्यूज स्पेस लेफ्ट. दिस इज़ हाउ दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज़ बिल्ट। ये जाली के दरवाजे हैं, आप इसको बंद करके भी अगर घर के अंदर बैठेंगे तो आपको ऑक्सीजन पूरा मिलेगा। इट्स अ 2 साइड ओपन प्लॉट, a beautiful size. Let's cover up the kitchen now. Again, we are back in the formal living space come dining room. We'll cover up the kitchen. And this is the kitchen. It's a running kitchen. You've got the cabinets down here, 2 sink hai, movable vessel. You've got the chimney by Inalsa. These are all your cabinets here. Here you can keep your cutlery, grains out here, and these are all cabinet spaces. इसमें सामान रखा हुआ है अभी, but still it's good to go. And you also have the provisioning for your water geyser. इधर में विंडो दिया हुआ है, इसको आप खोल सकते हैं. This is like जाली का विंडो, वेंटिलेशन का प्रॉब्लम नहीं. This is a fixed door, fixed glass, and that's the space for your exhaust fan. Ceiling design is again grouping in cornice. On the floor you'll see the tiling work done. So in the complete house, on the surface you've got detailing, and all the ceiling designs are almost similar to each other. This was all about this 160 square yards plot. Time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you.